Love our Friday nights when we're talking weekend.
Yeah, and the weekend is looking stellar. This is the last weekend of summer, folks, so you better get out and enjoy it. Here's your weekend forecast. Saturday, mostly sunny skies. It'll be warm with a temperature of 77 degrees in the afternoon. Then Sunday, I expect a little bit more cloud cover. As we head into the afternoon hours, we'll start to break up the clouds, but in the morning, it'll be primarily cloudy. We have just a few bands expected to come in, and that'll keep temperatures slightly cooler than what we're expecting on Saturday. But nonetheless, it's a great weekend. I'd call it an A for your last weekend of summer. Maybe you want to go apple picking, pumpkin picking, you know, the fall specials. Just make sure you wear some shorts. It will be warm enough for them. And you'd probably be hot if you wore a jacket like what I'm wearing outside this weekend for any of those fall-like activities. Now, today it was certainly hot. Feeling like summer. It still is officially. Fall doesn't begin until Monday. 86 was the high for Williamsport. We were 78 in Avoca, 75 for Mount Pocono. And if you look back at the temperature trend, look at how many days were above average. If you count them, today makes 9. Yesterday we were strongly above average at 10 degrees above average at 84. Today we were at 78, so still 4 degrees above average. And I see that above average trend continuing, not just through the weekend, but through the first week of fall as well. It's a beautiful night. We've got lots of stars out over Williamsport. And look at what's going on at Camelback. They've got the bonfires going. Looks like a wonderful summer evening. 61 is the current temperature. We've got calm winds and temperatures still quite mild, especially out in central Pennsylvania, sitting at 71 for Lewisburg, 70 in Elysburg. Much cooler there for the Poconos already, down into the 50s. And look at Lopez, always the coldest spot on the map at 49. We'll all be into the 40s tonight, some spots in the 30s. We've got clear skies that'll help us to cool off when you don't have clouds. Those cloud cover bands end up keeping in warmth like a blanket. So when you don't have them, the heat escapes right out to space. And this high pressure system is not just responsible for our good weekend weather, but it's also responsible for keeping this moisture off to our west. Now it does start to degrade, the high, and it also starts to shrink, and that allows this moisture to come on in late Monday night and a Tuesday morning. And we do need moisture because we've gone 12 days now with no rainfall whatsoever in Scranton and in Williamsport, and this is the longest stretch we've had since last fall. And we could be having one of the top 10 longest stretches without any rainfall in Scranton's history. Longest stretch was about 23 days, and this stretch was 17 days long. So we're approaching that at 12 days right now, and I think the weekend will be dry too, so add those two, it becomes 14 days. Clear skies tonight. Tomorrow, just some high thin clouds, and that breaks out to sunshine for the afternoon. Then your Sunday, a little bit more cloud cover overnight and through the morning. That's why we'll be a little bit warmer tomorrow night into Sunday morning. And then we break the clouds out throughout the afternoon, and we got lots of sunshine for your evening on Saturday. Here's the rain chances. We get one round, could be some storms in there on Tuesday, and then the second round comes in with another low pressure system. So we're changing this pattern as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. So Scott, we're changing things up. Last few days of summer ending sunny, and then we bring in the rain chances all the way through the first week of fall, with temperatures still warm, right? We're still in the upper 70s and even touching 80, but we need the umbrella now, and we do need the rain, so I'm not complaining.
Could use a bit, no doubt about that.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Jeremy.
Yep.